In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Gemini as a Windows app. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes of your time. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow, improve accessibility, or just simplify how you access Gemini, setting it up as a Windows app is a great solution. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go directly to the Google Gemini website. This is the primary place where everything starts. If you don't have the website saved as a bookmark or shortcut, just use your search engine to find it quickly. Being on the Gemini homepage is crucial because you'll be performing all the following steps from here. Once you're on the Google Gemini page, you'll need to navigate to the top right corner of your browser. Here, you'll see the familiar three-dot menu. It can sometimes be a bit elusive, but look carefully and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. It holds a treasure trove of options and settings, but the one we're interested in is a few steps underneath the surface. Inside this menu, you'll want to hover over the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Depending on your browser, this section might be phrased a bit differently, but it generally refers to sharing and saving functionalities. Hovering over this section will unfold another set of options for you to explore. From this unfolded list, the option that we are keen on selecting is Create a Shortcut. This is the key step that will enable you to have Google Gemini ready and easily accessible as an app on your Windows machine. Clicking on Create a Shortcut might prompt a quick confirmation window where you'll need to affirm that you want a Gemini shortcut added. Confirm this action, and your browser will handle the rest. Once these steps are complete, the final piece of the puzzle is to find the newly created shortcut. Simply head over to your Windows Start menu where you generally access all your computer applications. Scroll through your apps or use the search function, and you should now find Google Gemini listed there, ready to open with a single click. This integration makes accessing Gemini much more seamless and efficient, fitting neatly into your regular workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Google Gemini as an app on your Windows system. This simple process will save you time and effort every time you need quick and direct access to Gemini. Enjoy this enhancement to your tech setup, and feel free to share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.